Today we are bringing you a classic family recipe, Coconut Milk Burfi, or as we like to call it, Kayi Halu Burfi. A heritage recipe that when crafted with precision results in a treat that simply melts in your mouth. It's a straightforward process, though it does take some time, and it has remained a beloved classic for generations. Once you start savoring it, you'll find it very hard to stop. Experience the richness of tradition with the sweet passed down through generations. To prepare this delicious Kayi Halu Burfi, you'll require fresh coconut milk, sugar, and some ghee. Take a big coconut, grate it, and extract the first thick coconut milk, that is, using a very little water for grinding. Once you have the thick coconut milk in a heavy bottom kadai, mix equal quantities of fresh milk, coconut milk, and sugar. Here we use fresh milk because it already has some fat, so we don't need to add a lot of ghee later. Instead of this fresh milk, you can use an equal quantity of full fat packaged milk. Begin by cooking this mixture on medium to high heat. Stir continuously to avoid sticking to the bottom. Continue stirring and scraping the sides as it thickens. So patience is the key here. If it begins to stick, add just a teaspoon of ghee. While this is reducing, let's prepare the plate. Take a small plate and apply a thin layer of ghee. Keep it aside for later. After a while, the mixture reduces and begins to splutter. Now reduce the heat to minimum and also be careful at this point as it can be hot enough to cause burns. Use a long spatula to handle the sweet and add ghee as needed. Around 3 to 4 teaspoons should be enough for the entire recipe. Additionally, add a pinch of cardamom powder to infuse a lovely aroma. After some time, it will take a nice brownish golden color and it turns frothy. That's your signal. Quickly turn off the heat and transfer the mixture onto a greased plate. It's very much necessary to turn off the heat at just the right moment. If it's too early, the burfi might get sticky. If it's too late, it might end up too hard. Do not flatten the burfi at this point. It would lose its porous texture if you do so. After around 2 to 3 minutes, carefully cut it into perfect bite-sized pieces. It becomes difficult to cut once it cools, so make sure to cut it while it's still hot. And there you have it, the secret family recipe of Kayi Halu Burfi or Coconut Milk Burfi. Thank you for spending your valuable time on this video. Support my channel's growth by liking, sharing and subscribing. Give this recipe a try for this New Year or Sankranti and share the joy with your family. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.